Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a circular talking head video with a stylish border using Camtasia. Whether you are a YouTuber, a business professional, or just someone looking to enhance your video content, this tutorial is only for you. So let's dive right in. But before you dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscriber button and that notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing tutorials. So let's get started. Now I will go to the my Camtasia studio. Now this is my recording. This is the my face recording. You are watching that. At first you need to enlarge it. Just enlarge it. Just make this size larger uh, for customizing your face. Now get started. Now for this purpose you have to go to the annotations in the left corner. From the annotation you have to go the shapes. Yes, shapes. Click the shapes. Now click the all, and now find out the yellow circle shapes. This is the yellow circle shapes. I have made it favorite as I use it every now and then. So just drag it to the face of my video. Now position it. You can uh, decrease the opacity from the right menu. uh, just decrease the opacity for uh, watching your desired face area. Yes, just hold the shift button. Now drag it as your own desired face position. I think this is my perfect face position. Now again increase the opacity. Now this is the you are watching that this is the shapes I track. This is the shape track where I this is the shape track. Now you need to drag it to the full length of your video. Yes, now you have to make it larger. uh, you have to drag it to the full length of your video. Just I have done it. Just click again to this shape track. Now click the right button of your mouse and copy it and paste it to the upper track of the playhead section. This is the upper. Just I have copy it again. Yes, I have copied it. Now select the upper shape track. Select and then go to the again to the right corner. Now um, decrease the opacity from the 0 to the 0. Decrease the opacity to the 0 and increase the thickness. Look at the change of my circle head. This is creating the border. This is creating the border. Just whatever you want. Just increase. I uh, increase to the 10% of my border. Whatever you like, then you can change it about your own desired thickness. Now, okay. Now you have to go to the again back to the left menu where you can see some menu here. Just go to the visual effects. Click the visual effects. Now find out the media mat. Just media mat. Drag it to the drag to attach the first shape. I mean this is the first shape of your icon, and drag it and paste it here, just drag to the second shape. Everything done. uh, so you can see the change, you can see mm, the change here. So now what can you do? You have to do now, click, you have to group it, just click the two shapes, select the two shapes together. Now group it, two shapes and the video, just group it. Yes, group has been done. You can place it whatever you want. This is the freedom of your, this is quite your freedom, wherever you can place it. The circular head has been created very easily, you can see here. So now we will drag it to the below track number 2. Yes, now I will play my mute my just okay. Now I will play now my video. Yes, this is looking very gorgeous. This looks very gorgeous and professional. Now you are watching on the screen that. Now I will go to the second section. If you want to move this, mm, if you want to move this talking head to the another side, in order to watch your this part of your video, the corner of your video, you want, in order to let the viewer watch your this corner of your video, then this video will go your desired position automatically. How can you do it? This, if you want to remove it from this place, from this corner, what can you do automatically? Just look this. For this purpose, you have to go to the animation. Now I will okay. Now I will mm, uh, show as this for my talking head. My video part uh, is not clearly visible to the audience. Look at this. So I want to remove it from this corner. Just I would like to remove this, my talking head, to this side. What can you do? What can I? Yes, now I want to show you again the real procedure. I want to remove my playhead to this position, again restore to this previous position. I want to let my audience the behind scene of my video. For this purpose, I want to remove my playhead to the side. What can I do? Just let's see. At first, go to the custom. Now drag it to this here. Then remove this video from this part, and again drag the playhead to your desired position. Now restore this part. Yes, now you can see the magic here. Now you can see the magic
হবে
here.
সাথে এস যুক্ত হবে। যেমন when does Maria get up, উত্তর হবে Maria gets up early। তো আমরা এখন চলে যাব লেসন ইন্ট্রোডিউসিং। আসলে আমাদের লেসনটি হবে যে এই যে লেসনের আমাদের মূল
Look at
টপিক
the
আমরা
magic,
দেখতে পাচ্ছি মূল পাতাটি আমাদের চলে এসেছে লাইফ ইজ বিউটিফুল। পরে পাতাটা
and you will see this will my talking head will go to the previous place again. Look at the magic.
টেনে যাব, তোমরা একটু মনোযোগ সহকারে দেখবে কারণ ক্লাসটি অনেক বড় হবে। স্প্রিং নাউন বসন্ত, বছরের শীত এবং গ্রীষ্মের মধ্যে ঋতু। আর ইংলিশ মিনিট হবে দ্য সিজন অফ দ্য ইয়ার বিটুইন উইন্টার এন্ড সামার। সিজন হবে স্প্রিং টাইম এবং স্প্রিং টাইড। আমরা যদি কিওয়ার্ড রিসার্চ করে কিন্তু দুটি কিওয়ার্ড পেয়েছি, টপিক এবং টাইম, বিষয় এবং সময়।
This is the magic.
ডাব্লিউএস ওয়ার্ডস প্লাস
This is the tricks. Now if you want to the number 3 tricks, if you when sometime we need to uh, we need to screen we need to zoom our screen to show clearly to the audience the real uh, the clear screen, or small sometimes we need to show our screen doing by creating zoom. We need to zoom. Sometimes we need to zoom our screen. Then what will go the display head? What will go when? Where will go this playhead also will go to uh, the playhead will remain the same place if you try to zoom your screen. Look at the third magic. Now you can go to the animation section. Where is the animation? This is the animation. Now go to the zoom and pan. Now for this purpose I want to show this part of this line by zoom is by creating screen zoom. What I can do, I want to show my audience this line by creating zoom, but where will go my talking heads? The talking head also will remain beside me, remain the same position. But for this purpose you need to click this track and look at this, just lock it, now if you want to show this by creating zoom, look at the magic. The playhead will remain the same position, the playhead will not be visible. Then it's a third magic, dear viewers. Now scale to fit. By doing this you can create your video professionally. You can create your video professionally, and I hope these tricks will be very helpful for you. I have tried my best to make you understand my tricks, so try this at your home, and if you practice more and more then it will be very clear. So no more today. At last I am requesting, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the regular updates. So it's time for saying goodbye. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.lutfer11.com. Thanks.